Everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our Boxycharm base box for the month of February. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will list all the details down below. And that way, if you decide, you can become a part of the Boxycharm family as well. So let's just open and jump right in. Okay, and the very first thing we have is our description card. And for the month of February, the quote-unquote love month, the title is XOXO. All right. First item that we have are these brushes right here. And this is by Glamir. And this is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And it says glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $29.95. So we just pop it open and see what's here. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. Now, this is very interesting. So, fun fact. As many brushes as I have, this is the only set of brushes I have that do this. The only set. Very, very pretty. Okay. Very nice. And they are soft, yet not too soft. Okay, I'm excited to try these out. So this is item number 1. Then the next item we have is by Tula Skincare. Okay, and this says Tula Skincare, so poreless, deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. It says, got pores? Get this. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $32. Now this is a 2.89 ounce size. It is a squeeze tube, and it came with a safety seal on it. Okay, which I absolutely love. All right, and of course the packaging mimics what it says, which is deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. And it says apply on clean skin with warm water. Gently massage in a circular motion before rinsing thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, and that is item number 2. The next item we have, okay, I can't even tell them I already have this because this is a little different. The next item is the Tracy Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. And it says an eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid, but provides pencil precision. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $44. Okay, and it says the mascara is in Icelandic black lacquer and the pencil is in Santori black sand. Okay, we do not have to open the mascara because we know what that's like. I will put it away. Alrighty, and the pencil. This is a first. So this, we are going to swatch. Oh. Now, I do want to tell you to be careful because I guess in processing the pencil was down a little far. We're going to go ahead and swatch it right here. Oh, it definitely glides on nicely and it is very, very bold. Okay, I like. Definitely like. Okay. Moving right along, the next product we have is by Saint Luxe. All right, and this is the limited edition liner duo. It says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever. With a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula, the liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. Y'all already know my lips are too big to be doing something like that. But the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $40. So let's just see what these lip liners look like. Okay, oh. All right, let's see. They're very close in shade. Here they are. Can you see that okay? All right, and let's just swatch. The first one is Love Letter. Okay, can you see that okay? It definitely draws a very fine line. Very fine line. Is that a little better? Okay, and once again, this shade is Love Letter. And the second shade, which is just a little darker, maybe. Yes, it is. This one is called Secret Admirer. This one right here. All right, very nice. It's a nice duo set. So you probably could use them together. The darker one to line and the lighter one to fill in. So the last item in the box is Brow Bar by Rima. And this is the Bombshell Brow Kit, okay? And it says the Bombshell Brow Kit is the most luxurious brow kit ever made. The golden goddess of all brown kits. Brown. Okay. Okay, I'm trying not to let the glare really do you in here, so hopefully this is okay. The Bombshell Brow Kit is the most luxurious brow kit ever made. The golden goddess of all brow kits. This chic, sleek, compact includes tweezers, brow pencil, two-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $40. So let's just take a look. Okay, my extra self is already having a moment, but it has a mirrored, I'm sorry. Is that better? Okay, it has a mirrored packaging look. All right, and let's open it up and see. It has a full mirror inside to match the mirror look on the outside. Okay, and here are the products that we talked about. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, here is the spoolie. The tweezers. And it looks like a pencil. And the pencil. Okay, this is a beautiful set. Very luxurious. Very luxurious. So I don't want to swatch it because I might just put it in a giveaway. We'll see. I don't know. I've opened it now, so I don't know. We'll see what happens a little bit later on. Okay. Now, I absolutely love this. And this one is the dark palette. Okay. So the shades of the concealer and highlighter would be more for someone that's my complexion. So I definitely do like this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Of course, I have to find something so that I can keep it clean, because y'all know I'm already wiping it off. This is crazy. All right, so I'm liking this box. I'm very encouraged by it, and I'm excited to use it. It's not really much in here that I could use to create a look with. So we may have to team up with our premium box for this month when it's time to create. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Boxycharm base box. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.